Hi, I'm Jim.
I'm Renee.
And we are full-time RVers. Right now we're about 7 miles south of Sedona, Arizona, about 2.5 miles off the highway, out in the boonies like we like to do.
And this is Wyatt Ray dog to be specific. He's our 9-year-old German Shepherd that we got as a puppy from a rescue in Northern California.
You can't see it from there, but he's missing a rear leg. He was neglected as a puppy. Wyatt came our way because one of the members of our community decided we needed a new mascot.
When we first started traveling, we knew that we were going to be doing a lot of this kind of camping, so we outfitted the rig accordingly and got solar and satellite internet so that we could always have connectivity.
So that allows us to get online anywhere, anytime, and we have to do that because our work needs demand it, and we like to live the dream, but it takes work, so we work at the dream. That's why we're the Live Work Dream Team.
We have always been outdoor lovers. We used to backpack and sleep on the ground, and when we saw how comfortable we could be inside of an RV, we said, well, this is really nice.
Our rig here used to have bunk beds in back, and I tore those out and made a workshop for Renee once her jewelry business started going on. So she's got lots of storage space now and a place where she can pound on metal. You'll often find us outside going for a bike ride, or we like to hike around. We went from a 2,400 square foot Victorian duplex where we lived in a whole flat upstairs, and downstairs we had a half dozen printers of various sizes, a dozen computers, all sorts of gadgetry, and there was just something lacking, and it was that freedom to let go of all that stuff and enjoy life.
We're at Red Rock State Park in Sedona.
Took a hike up to Cathedral Overlook. We really are living the dream. We do like getting out and doing active things, and go out for runs early in the morning, and in the late evenings we'll go out with Wyatt or go for a bike ride.
Be prepared to live the life you really want because you never know when it's going to end.
One thing we like to do is get out and find the local farmers markets, the art fairs, and really dive into that local culture and walk around downtown areas and see what a little art center might have that we might be able to go and do. Living the nomadic life does give you the opportunity to visit so many places. That's why it's so important to stop at your local visitor center and get some maps and find an area where you might go to soak in some scenic views, or find Slide Rock near Sedona, or go near Red Rock State Park like we did. It's just we like to go out there and find those things wherever we go.
On a really nice day like this, we'll watch the sunset over a game of dominoes. It's just one of the ways that we disconnect.
It's amazing how little you really need to be happy. All I need is my roof over my head, my power, and my wife and my dog. And I have that with me wherever I go. So we encourage everyone else out there to go do the same thing and go find your own freedom.
Hope to see you on down the road somewhere.